Welcome to Kiruna. We are right now standing at the control center of 1365 and we are located above ground. We control and operate the main level down in the mine at the level of 1365. There we have a production facility. It's autonomous and electrified facility. We produce up to 90,000 tons iron ore at each day and up to 31 million ton iron ore at a year. And if we look at the operations we do down at 1365, we start with the electrified front loader that puts 25 tons of iron ore in its bucket, fills the ore pass. When the ore goes down to the bottom 1365, we have an equipment we call the chute galley. In the chute galley, we fill the wagons on the train set. And that's the only job in here we do manually, and that's because of the fractions of the rocks. The payload of the train set is 600 tons when Mikael has filled it up. When Mikael has filled up the whole train set with about 600 tons, he puts it in mode ready. And when the train feels that it's in mode ready, the train system takes over the train system takes over the train and sends it out to the railway. We can see that on this picture when the train is coming on the railway. And the train is now moving towards to the next step in our production line, and that is the unloading station. We will see a picture of that also. So here we can see it. And we have a beam that's in the bottom of the unloading station, and the wagon is built so the bottom of the wagon drops down to the beam and goes over, and then we have a natural unloading. It's a very smooth operation and it goes very quick. It takes us up to 2 or 3 minutes to unload the whole train set. And if we have some problem down in the haulage level, that this is called with the train and so, the operator here, Patrick or Susanna, calls down to the maintenance crew. And the maintenance crew go out and check what the problem is. It can be a mechanical or an electrical problem or a production problem. So they often solve the problem very quick and they call up to the operator. The operator puts it in production again and we are running again. As you can see, it's very smooth. The next step after this is that the iron ore goes down in a buffet, and from the buffet it goes to a crush. The crush takes down the iron ore to a fist size. So this is everything that's been done in this room. So we will now go to the hoisting room and see what the operation continues with. And here we have the chute operators, 3 of them out working now. So this is the hoisting room. We hoist in 2 steps in Kiruna. So we have the first hoist after the crush. But before the crush, we have the distribution level. On the distribution level, we fill a conveyor belt with rocks from the crush. And the conveyor belt, as you can see in that picture is best. It fills up the measuring pocket. And we fill the measuring pocket with the exact same iron ore that fits in the hoist. So when we have filled the measuring pocket, we fill the hoist, and then the hoist go up to 775. On 775, that's the end of the first hoist. The first hoist dumps it down, the iron ore, to the next distribution level, which is on 898. On 898, we do the same produce. The iron ore goes to a conveyor belt. The conveyor belt fill up a measuring pocket, and the measuring pocket fills up the hoist. And when the hoist is filled, it goes up to unloading 118 in the sorting plant. This hoisting system has a speed of 17 meters per second, so it's quite quick. But as I said earlier, this is what we do, and our mission is done. And we have a great autonomous electrified facility down here in Kiruna. Thank you very much.